you're going to be working on these problems totally on your own without the help of your teacher. You can work with somebody if you want, a partner or some friends that you guys are taking these together, and check your answers as you guys go along to see if you guys are doing it correctly. So the first thing says here, write this equation. So I'm not gonna start off with this easy one. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna work on 1, 2, 3, 4, number 4 for you. So on this one, we're gonna type in y equals divide. -12 minus 2x divided by 2. And the other line is y equals divide 12 minus 3x divided by -3. We're going to find out where they cross. They cross right here at this one. And the answer is -1, -5. And it's asking here, is -1, -5 a solution? Yes. What if it was not a solution and you clicked on no? Then you're going to go over here and you're going to pick the right answer. So on this one, it is, you know what, the answer is correct. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But again, answer, it is correct. So there you go. So that's it. That's all you're going to be doing for the rest. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on your own. I left an easy one for you. So that way you don't have to solve for y. Just put it in on the calculator and solve it.